Labor MP John Quigley has appeared before the State Administrative Tribunal over threats he made to reveal the identity of an undercover officer involved in the Andrew Mallard case. Former Attorney General Jim McGinty has questioned the public interest in pursuing the charge 9 years after Mr Quigley is alleged to have made the threat.
John Quigley is no stranger to the courtroom, but for once he was the one taking the stand. The Legal Practitioners Complaints Committee has accused the former lawyer of bringing the profession into disrepute.
I'm going to take this slowly and untease this slowly because what's happening is not right. I'm not guilty. I'm going to stand my ground.
The charge dates back to 2002 when Mr Quigley phoned an undercover police officer and allegedly threatened to reveal his identity unless he came clean about his involvement in the Andrew Mallard case. Mr Quigley told the tribunal the officer befriended Mr Mallard and supplied him with marijuana in the days before police interviewed him about the murder of Mosman Park jeweller Pamela Lawrence. Mr Mallard spent 12 years in prison before his conviction was overturned. The Corruption and Crime Commission has cleared Mr Quigley of any wrongdoing in relation to his dealings with the undercover officer. But if he's found guilty of unsatisfactory professional conduct, he could be struck off the bar. It was the undercover officer who complained to the Legal Practitioners Board about Mr Quigley's conduct. None of the officers involved in the wrongful conviction and imprisonment of Mr Mallard have faced any disciplinary action.
Mr Quigley was the man who brought justice to Andrew Mallard. It would be a complete travesty if Mr Quigley was the only person to face any disciplinary proceedings.
I think to place a serving officer at risk by exposing his identity, I don't find that defensible in any circumstance.
The hearing has been adjourned until July. Jane Norman, ABC News.